Hi guys, welcome back to Hack Idea Tech with Sujita. So this video is completely going to be in English and I'm trying to recreate one of my video which was previously created. That was with the topic how to ripen mangoes faster at home. So there were so many people who were requesting, like, hence the video was in Hindi. It was not easy for them to understand like what techniques I am using. That's why I'm recreating this video so that it could be helpful for those people who want to take benefit out of it and can enhance the process of ripening a mango at home. So now we know that summer is here and the season of mangoes are back. Everywhere it is in the market and we get ample varieties of mango which we can actually bring to our home and we can just enjoy the taste of it. But sometimes when the season is a little too early for those mangoes, we usually get those mangoes which are a little bit raw, but with the techniques which I'm sharing right now, we can actually ripen them at home directly. So with that, I'll just go back to the method and I'll share what all things you can do at home to ripen a mango fast. If someone wants to watch this video in Hindi, I'll just add it to the link. You can just go to that video and watch the same methods which I'm going to share right now over here. So with that, let's get started.
So for the first method, you can use any newspaper which you might have at your home. Any old paper can also work and do the same sort of work. What you have to do is you have to take the raw mango and wrap it around properly on this newspaper. This is my go-to method which I usually and regularly use when we get some raw mangoes, and this works perfectly fine. Once you have wrapped the mango perfectly, just keep it aside into a warm temperature or into a room where the temperature is a little bit warm, and after 2 or 3 days you will see it's perfect to eat. Now another method is you can use these kind of paper bags. We usually get this kind of paper bag when we order bread from outside, and we also use it to keep mangoes when they are a little bit raw, and this also works perfectly fine. The third option is these vegetable paper bags. We usually get it when we order any food from outside. So any vegetables which is getting delivered on these kind of papers, you can also use it. So in short, any paper or cardboard, that material is going to help you to make these mangoes ripen fast. Now the last option is these kind of cardboard packaging which we usually get it with mangoes. So when we ordered mangoes in India through Big Basket, we usually get it through these kind of packaging. It comes like this, and when the mangoes are a little bit raw, you can just keep it in this and that is going to be perfectly all right. So as you can see, these are the mangoes which we recently ordered. Not all of them is perfectly ripen, but hence we will keep it for some time on that. It is going to do the same work. If you do not have that kind of cardboard, you can take any cardboard. If in case you might have ordered anything, you might have received these kind of cardboard packaging, so you can use these items also to keep your mangoes which is a little bit raw. You can also add a technique while keeping these mangoes. What you can do is you can chip off a little bit of cuttings of paper or newspaper, and you can just add it with these mangoes. That actually helps to increase the ripening process, and in that way you are going to get the perfect amount of flavor or taste when you are keeping it with them. So whenever you're using these techniques, please keep in mind that you have to regularly check, maybe within a day or so, that what is the process and how the mango is, so that you know when is the right time you can go ahead and eat it, so that you do not forget and it does not get over ripped. Now as I told you that I usually go with this paper method, the one mango which I kept, you can see that it's perfectly ripe, and I'm just going to show you how it looks when we are just cutting it and trying to take the flavor out of it. So now after certain period of time, if you have not washed your mango, make sure that you wash it before cutting and eating it. So I'll just go ahead and wash it, and this is how we actually see the exact picture which I can share with you right now. It's actually very juicy, it looks very tasty, and the smell is actually very enhanced right now, what I can feel right now. So let me just quickly complete the cutting portion of it, and I'll taste it, and definitely I am sure that this is going to give a good flavor because I have been using this particular method almost all the time, and it has never turned me down. So you can definitely go ahead and use this method, and definitely let me know what was your experience when you have tried this method. Hence, it does not use any pesticides, and nothing extra effort has been needed. I think this is the best method which you can use at your home, perfectly all right, and it does not harm anyone in any of the way.
I hope this video might help you guys in just taking some tricks and techniques. It won't cost you any penny, that's my understanding, but it is going to definitely give you the results. Do share your feedback, like, share and comment. Subscribe to this channel if you would like to see some sort of similar updates from me. And you can also follow me in Instagram. My handle is Hack Idea Trick. So I look forward for a response on this, and with this I have to end this video. I'll be back with something new next week. Tat tak ke liye, bye.